The Currys installation team does all the hard work for you, so buying that new tech is fast and stress-free. Our team of experts visit customers' homes and install their new tech at a time that suits them. Our installation service is available across most of the UK. To help us get your tech installed and ready to use without you having to do anything, just let our friendly tech experts work their magic. As part of our usual installation service, we'll disconnect the old appliance, connect up the shiny new replacement and test it out to make sure that everything is working as it should be. If you want peace of mind getting rid of your old appliance, then you can add recycling to your order. That means we'll deliver your new appliance, set it up for you and take the old one away. We'll even take away the packaging and recycle it for you.